Let's unpack the truth. Do we really need packing cubes? Do we have to use these? Why? We don't really need them. So here's my confession. I overpack. Comparing the packing cubes. Here's a compression. Here's a regular. Here's a compression sack. Is it really saving you space? And the same videos that I've watched, you've seen these really probably don't save you any space. These do save you some space. And these are incredible. So why should you use them? Is there any benefit? So regular non-compression packing cubes, I use just to make everything organized. So I usually will put my shirts all in one, and I normally will use just a regular packing cube, and that way they don't get quite as wrinkled. I put all of my shirts in this regular packing cube, Eagle Creek, and now they're organized, fit in the suitcase without any issues. So now I have a few pairs of jeans. Jeans don't really wrinkle. So I'm going to take this compression packing cube and I'm going to undo this second zipper all the way around. It's also an Eagle Creek. You can kind of see a theme there. Now I'm going to put in these jeans. Okay, so we see the size. It's not compressed. So it's about the same size as this one. So this one is just a regular one. Now let's see what it does when I compress it. So now it's compressed. It's a little smaller, but not that much. I usually use these small ones, and this is what I'll put: underwear, swimsuit. Once again, zip this up. Also gonna stick these socks in here. I'll zip this up. Now I will zip up this. Once again, it's making it tight and very compact. Now let me show you magic. Let's say I'm going on a trip where I need a big coat. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a pretty large coat. Even has a hood. So it's not small. And even when you fold it up, it's still pretty big. Put this next to it. You can see how big that is. Now it's time for magic. I'm going to take this Eagle Creek compression sack all in here. Now I'm gonna seal up this side. It's just like a Ziploc bag. Now, the next key is to get the air out. So I normally roll it like this. Can't hear it, but the air is coming out over here. magic. This thing it took that big coat and put it down. I won't say it's flat as a pancake, but it's pretty close. So I could put that in here. And it's still gonna fit. All right, it's all in. I carry on. In my opinion, packing cubes make sense. Maybe it's a combination of the different types of packing cubes, or maybe it's just one kind. But this is worth it, especially for wintertime. You have bulky things. This is fine. Gonna keep it organized. A little less wrinkles with this one. Smaller one. Put all those little unmentionables. And it all fits along with my cosmetic bag in this suitcase. So I hope this helped, taking away some of that unknown about packing cubes. You are gonna have to make the decision for yourself if they make sense for you, but I suggest to go and try them. Don't buy a lot of them, don't make a huge commitment at first. Take them on your next trip. See, does it help you? Thanks and safe travels. Let me know if you liked this video below. Hit subscribe and comment. Do you use packing cubes? Safe travels.